Hey everyone, how are you? How to generate leads and build awesome email lists. That's what we are going to see in this awesome video. So stay tuned and follow up with me. Okay, so one of the main questions in email marketing is how to build an email list. Because as you know, email marketing is about two things: building an email list and sending emails to turn this list into customers. So building an email list is a major problem or a main question when it comes to email marketing. So how we build email lists properly? Let's see in this awesome video. Simply, to build an email list, the main method is called a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? Simply, it's something that attracts anybody to give you his email or her email in exchange with something you provide for free. Let's make things simple. You wrote a small guide about whatever you want, about a certain niche, let's say about email marketing. Then you tell someone, I will give you this guide in exchange with your email address. So usually people love free stuff, especially if it's a high quality content. So always when you want to offer a lead magnet, be sure to make it high quality. So you have a guide, a PDF book, and you offer it in exchange of an email. In this way, you are collecting emails. Maybe you have a free course, maybe a free service, a free application. Whatever you are offering, you can offer it as a lead magnet in exchange with email addresses. So this is the main concept, and I think it's very simple. Now we have a problem. The main question now is how people will know about my lead magnet, about my guide or my course or whatever. So I need to market this course or market this free guide in order to collect emails. Okay, how we market this guide? How we tell people about this free lead magnet that we are offering? Here we have multiple methods. The first one is using social media marketing, and to be more specific, I will talk about Facebook ads. When we talk about Facebook ads, we have two types of ads that we can use to collect emails. We have Facebook lead collection ads. Let's go to Facebook and see this. Here I am inside Facebook Ads Manager. And here you can create campaigns or marketing campaigns. By the way, if you are not familiar with Facebook ads, I have here a video about Facebook advertising called Learn Facebook Ads in 10 minutes. You will learn everything about Facebook advertising in 10 minutes. You can check it in the description below. Again, now the first thing when you want to create a Facebook ad, it asks you about your objective. So you can see here we have something called lead generation. This type of campaigns allows you to collect email leads. So you can go with this wizard and create an ad and start collecting emails directly through Facebook. Then Facebook will allow you to export this data and import it into your email marketing application. I will not go now through the process, it's somehow out of the scope. I will have another video about it later on in my channel. So stay tuned and follow up with me. So this is the first way on how to collect emails using Facebook marketing lead generation. Now the second method is to use Facebook traffic ads. So then you can send people to something called a landing page, which is a simple website where users can enter their email address in exchange with your lead magnet. So let's take a look on some landing pages that you can build, and I will show you how to build a landing page in one of my videos. Also, you can follow up on my channel. When you build this landing page, then you can collect email addresses. Let's take a look on some examples. Okay, you can see here this is a sample landing page. You can see it says get your free ad template. So now the lead magnet here is a free template for you. You simply enter your name, last name, and your email, and your company name, and then you click on get your free ad template. This person here will give you this template in exchange with your email address. So he is collecting emails in this way. Simply he get this link and he go to Facebook and create a traffic campaign, and then he paste this link and get traffic to his landing page to collect emails. So this is simply about Facebook ads and how you can utilize to gather and collect and build your email lists. Now the second method is to use email collection forms inside your blog or your articles in your website. And here I have really an important point. If you want to work in email marketing and you don't have a website, or at least a sample one-page website, so you are aware of success in this field, you need to build and have at least a small website where people can come and see what you have and maybe subscribe to your newsletter or get your lead magnet or your free stuff in exchange with your emails, so you can build your email list properly using opt-in boxes. Now you may be asking, it's the same problem. If I have an article or a blog or a website, I have a problem that I have no traffic. So how to get traffic? Of course, getting traffic is somehow a dedicated topic, but now as fast as possible, usually when you want to get traffic to your website, you have two options: using paid advertising or search engine optimization, which is optimizing your website to be at the first page on search engines so you can get organic traffic. By the way, you can check my video below in the description, learn SEO in 10 minutes, and learn how to optimize your articles, your website with SEO and get organic traffic. So let's put SEO now aside and talk about paid advertising to your website. Now you have a website, and I'm not talking about simple landing pages. Let's go and take a look on a direct example so everything will be clear. Okay friends, here I am in my website, and let's take a look on this first article about Amazon SES, how to use and open the limits. Let's say someone got into my article and started reading this article. When he scrolls down about 50% of the article, you will see a pop-up opt-in box. This tells, "We love to help you. Please enter your email address to get every new free update, free lecture," and so on. So if someone loves your content and loves what you read, he will obviously enter his email to get every new update. Then when he presses yes, you will collect this email and save it into one of your email lists. You can see here I have multiple email lists where I collect my emails in this website. By the way, you need to know an important point when it comes to list building. Whenever you collect an email, be sure to collect it in an appropriate targeted email list. Let's talk about myself, my website, and about Educate. My videos and courses are dissected into three categories: about IT and technology, about coding and programming, and digital marketing and online business. So in general, I have three types of audiences, even though I believe that these are connected together, but not all people know about the three things together. So in general, I have three types of audiences. So whenever I collect an email, I be sure to collect it in a list where I can identify precisely whom are inside this list. So you can see here, I have around 7 lists in this website. You can see I have here a list for people who was collected from AWS article. This is for programming, this specifically for C# coders. This is for people related to DigitalOcean SMTP service. This is for my keyword ranker tool, and so on. You can see how I am collecting emails specifically. So when I want to launch a marketing campaign later, an email marketing campaign, I can know who can I target. I can target precisely the correct people. So when I want to market maybe a new course or a new service related to email marketing, then I check only the list that have people who loves email marketing or who are concerned with email marketing. So this is really very important, is to create multiple lists and to build your lists and make them very targeted. Even you can target them by niche and by country, maybe by a specific service or whatever. As much as you can narrow down your lists and collect targeted traffic, it will reflect more success in your email marketing campaigns. So that's it about collecting through articles. Now I want to show you a small scenario on how I collected emails using paid advertising. Here you can see one of my Outbrain native campaigns. You can see I spent $20 and I got 676 clicks on my article. So let's say only 10% subscribe to my email list, then I will get around 60 emails collected to this specific targeted niche. Now you may say 60 is a very low number. In my experience, please memorize this. If you have a specifically targeted email list, let's say you have only 500 real followers, it's really more successful from having 10,000 emails that you don't know anything about. You simply scrape them from here and there and you are trying to market your stuff. 500 or 200 is better than 10,000 when it comes to targeted email list and to gaining real followers. Those people subscribe because they loved you, so they will help you, so they will subscribe to your services, so will buy your stuff and so on. And by the way, in the description below, I have a real case scenario, a case study where I launched a campaign for $20 and get awesome results, not only in list building but also in sales. Please check this video, it's really an awesome video how I used Outbrain native ads to get students to my courses and how I turned this $20 to more than $400 or $500 in only one day. Check the video below and take an idea, it's really an interesting video. Okay, now let's go to the third method about how to show and how to market your lead magnet and collect your emails. Simply using YouTube. You can see now I'm recording a video about list building and I will be publishing it maybe on Thursday 7:30, which is my digital marketing videos time. So whenever someone watches this video, I will share some links in the description that will take them to a landing page that they are interested in. Let's take a look on this. Here is one of my videos on my YouTube channel on how to rank YouTube videos, and you can see plus a free keywords research tool or software that I developed. You can go down here. When you watch this video, you will see I'm pointing to my description so people can go here and download the free keyword ranker tool. Let's open this link. I will click here. This will take anyone watching the video to my website, to this page, the free keyword ranker. So anyone interested in SEO or in ranking on YouTube and Google, he will be interested in this free keyword ranker tool. It's a keyword research tool, a simple one that will help a lot and save you time. So if you go down and read about it and you want to download, you can see I have a form so people can download this tool. I will collect information about them like the work, where do they work, their email, name, their sex, their country and date of birth. Then they will agree on this privacy policy and download this tool. Whenever he presses this download button, he will receive an email containing the download link. In my side, I collected his data, I collected his email, and this person here is interested in this types of application. If you go here to my list, let's go to my list, you can see I have keyword ranker download. This is an email list for only this type of people who got my application. So this is a specific targeting when I build my email list, and this is very important. Let's say I created a new version of this application, or maybe another application which is a paid application that is related to this type of softwares. Then I can market those people because they are interested in such applications. Now the last step or method to collect targeted emails and build email lists is using something called cold email marketing. Email marketing, I will collect emails using email marketing. It somehow looks weird. Yes. In one of my videos, I showed you 5 methods to scrape emails using Facebook, using some tools, using my own free tool, and so on. You can watch the video, you can find the description below. When you scrape these emails, in general, if you launch an email marketing campaign to these scraped emails, this is obviously spamming. You can simply launch a marketing campaign to a scraped emails to people who did not subscribe to your email list. This is definitely spam. Please, no one contact me from now on and tell me that I scraped emails but I'm not a spammer. This is spamming in the world of email marketing. So we have now a scraped email list. We can use these scraped emails to build a good email list for marketing later. How? Simply using something called cold email marketing. What is cold email marketing? I will have a full video about it because it's really important to understand and how to use. It's somehow out of the scope now, but I want to mention it. Cold email marketing is simply sending emails to those scraped emails. I'm not talking about marketing emails here, I'm talking about traditional emails, normal emails, asking those people if they are interested in something you have. Then they will go to your website or your channel or landing page, whatever, and subscribe to your list. Then, after 1 month, 2 months, you'll collect a normal email list which you can use for marketing. I will talk about it later in detail, but just understand the idea now. Cold email marketing is like sending a bunch of emails every day, like 50 or 100 emails or maybe 30 emails to your scraped email list, then to turn those into a normal email list, then to turn them into customers later using email marketing. So I think you got the idea. I will create a full video about it later on my channel, so stay tuned and follow up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get every update. Also, by turning the bell on, I will release videos about marketing and online business every Thursday, Friday. Thank you for following. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like the video, and to press on the bell for notifications. You can also view our other lectures. Thank you and see you in other videos.